Hi guys, the time has finally come. We're gonna film an apartment tour. We moved in here actually 3 months ago. I think like 3 months ago today. But we're really delayed because our couch took forever to come. We ordered it in August and it came like the first week of November, which was so ridiculous. But it's finally here and our apartment has furniture, so we can do the tour now. We live in Tribeca and it's a 1-bedroom if you're curious. So let's get into it. Also, I'm gonna link everything I can in the description if you wanna shop anything. Okay, I'm gonna start with this side of the apartment first. So you walk in and we have our lovely couch that took 3 months to ship here. And our rug and coffee table. The coffee table's from Urban and the rug I got on Amazon. We recently just switched this out. And it's super nice because we have so many windows in here. We just have these prints in the corner. I feel like the couch section is super comfy cozy, which is what I wanted, and white to brighten everything up because these floors are kind of like a weird color. Over here we have our TV setup area. This is our plant. His name is Franklin. We got him on easyplant.com. It's supposed to be one of the ones you can like easily take care of so it doesn't die, but it's super cute. And then our TV console I got from Amazon as well. And then we have football on the TV since it's Sunday. So this is our whole living room area. I also have a little side table here and a cute mirror. And then this side of the room we have more windows, which is amazing, and our dining room area. So this is the first apartment I've been able to have a big table at, or like really any normal size table at all. So this is very exciting that we have this. I work from here every day, which is super nice. And then in the corner we have our little bar cart area. So we got these two little New York prints. This one's like a matchbook one of a bunch of New York restaurants. And this one just says New York. And then we have our bar cart. So I got this bar cart on CB2. It's really cute. It's definitely expensive, but I really like it. I feel like it's worth the price. And we've just got all our drink making supplies, some cute cocktail glasses, some cocktail books. I've actually never use these, but I feel like we should. And then on this side of the dining room we have the kitchen. Don't mind the boxes because this is all our Christmas decor we're gonna decorate after I film this video. But we just have our kitchen here. Nothing crazy, but it's super nice. We have like a full-size fridge and we have literally a million cabinets. We have a little window in the kitchen too, which is nice. We have a dishwasher, which is super nice because my last apartment did not have a dishwasher. All full-size appliances. We have been really enjoying this kitchen. And that's the whole kitchen, dining room, living room area. And then when you keep walking through this hallway, we've got a long hallway over here. This is kind of our entryway. Our front door is here. We have this Tom Brady plaque that Drew made us hang up, but he had to have something, you know? And then we have 2 extra closets here, which are super nice. I'm not gonna show because they're definitely overstuffed. But that one's like our coat closet, and this one is just like, I'll show a little. It's like shelving. I keep my bags and stuff in here. And then we have a nice full-length mirror so you can see your outfit before you go out. I'm currently in my pajamas, but it's Sunday, so we're gonna stay in the pajamas. Okay, and then to the side of the closets, we have a shoe storage thing. This actually is perfect. It's like one of those thin ones, and it fits a lot of stuff in these drawers. So that's super helpful since I have a lot of shoes. And then we just have some little decor. We keep our keys in here, candle. This is all my jewelry. And we have another cute little cloud mirror here. To the other side, we have our bathroom. It's just like your standard bathroom, nothing crazy. We have a full shower, and then over here we have these cute little prints. If you watched one of my recent vlogs, I was hanging these up. It just makes the room so much happier to have these little prints in here. I really, really like them. I feel like they're a good addition. And I also just got these towels from Target. They're so good. If you see them, they're like the Casa Luna brand. Leaving this little area, we have our bedroom. So in our room, we have a queen size bed, which is nice. We have our little squishmallows on the bed. And we have the soft frame, which I really like and would definitely recommend. And then our 2 little nightstands, nothing crazy. And we have a window in here too. Andrew's work area. This is his desk that he works at every day. And then we have a TV in here too, which is very useful, especially when we didn't have a couch. And then on this side of our bed, we have our closet. It looks actually crazy. We have a lot of stuff in there, but super nice that it holds so much, and we split it, so we have both of our stuff in there. And that's the whole apartment. We have a gym and laundry in here, which is really nice. And it's on the 2nd floor, not the basement, which is also nice. And then we have a roof and a courtyard, all the good amenities, so we're really liking it. Do you have any final words you want to share, Drew?
Go Pats.
Oh my god. Thanks for watching our apartment tour. Reminder, I'm gonna link everything I can in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next vid.